Tekashi 6ix9ine is almost certainly going to prison. The rapper and his Tr3 associates were arrested under the Racketeering Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, or RICO, a federal law passed in 1970 to curb organized crime. To be arrested under RICO, a suspect must demonstrate a pattern of racketeering, which means that the thief rapper, whose legal name is Daniel Hernandez, has been on the feds' radar for some time. Racketeering is a serious crime in the United States. Words such as murder, kidnapping, gambling, arson and robbery are used in RICO's language, and some pretty notorious criminals and members of criminal enterprises have been arrested under the act. Racketeering has been associated with the mafia since the early 1920s, and Michael Milken was indicted on 98 counts under RICO. A person can be charged under RICO if they committed 2 or more RICO offenses in a 10-year period. RICO also gives the feds the ability to prosecute criminal enterprises, in Tekashi's case a gang, working as a unit. Organized criminals use rackets to enhance the position of the criminal enterprise when, ironically, it is usually the racket that brings the organization down. The court documents claim that Tekashi and other members of his gang carried out illegal activities for the purpose of gaining entrance to and maintaining and increasing position in Gang 9. Tekashi's estranged associates, including Shorty, Genselish Butler, Jamal Murder Jones and Fahim Crippy Walter, were also indicted. Assistant U.S. Attorney Michael Longlear said Hernandez is a member of a violent sect of the Bloods. This defendant participated in multiple acts of violence. Tekashi was denied bail, and the judge ordered Hernandez held until the bail hearing, saying he was concerned about the danger to the community, especially since as part of a violent gang the beat rapper could direct others to carry out acts of violence. The wording in RICO purposely addresses loopholes to bring down people who are part of an organized unit able to order others to carry out acts of violence, even if they are not carrying out the acts of violence themselves. Back in 2015, Tekashi pleaded guilty in a sexual misconduct case when he was accused of using a minor in a sexual performance. His troubles began mounting again this year when he was arrested for driving without a license and assaulting a police officer for choking a teen in a Houston mall, and feds allege he participated in a Brooklyn shooting of a bystander and a gunpoint robbery of a rival. He was arrested on an outstanding warrant in July. NYPD, ATF and Homeland Security all participated in bringing Tekashi down. The charges actually go back to 2013 and include murder, robbery and narcotics trafficking. Exhaustive rap sheet notwithstanding, it also probably doesn't help that Tekashi has publicly identified himself as a member of a violent New York gang, 9 Trey Bloods.